Ever pondered on the process of transforming your Facebook profile into a page? Well, consider today your lucky day. This video will unravel the mystery of this conversion process, breaking it down into simplified, straightforward steps. First, it's essential to understand why anyone would want to make this switch. For some, it's about reaching a broader audience. For others, it's about separating personal life from professional or public life. Whatever your reasons, the process is quite simple and user-friendly. So step 1, begin by logging into your Facebook account. It's crucial that you're using the profile you wish to convert into a page. Step 2, once logged in, navigate to the settings option found on the drop-down menu at the top right corner of your Facebook profile page. Step 3, within the settings menu, look for the option that reads your Facebook information. Once located, click on it to proceed to the next step. Step 4, in the Your Facebook Information section, there will be an option titled Deactivation and Deletion. Click on this option to proceed further. Step 5, after clicking on Deactivation and Deletion, a new page will pop up. Here, select the option Download Your Information. This step is crucial as it allows you to save all the data and content from your profile before it gets converted into a page. Step 6, after downloading your information, go back to the Your Facebook Information page. This time, select View next to Migration. Step 7, on the new page that pops up, click on Get Started under the option Convert Profile to Page. Step 8, follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the conversion process. Remember, during this process, you can choose what aspects of your profile you'd like to incorporate into your new page, such as friends, followers, and profile pictures. Step 9, once you've customized your new page to your satisfaction, hit the Create Page button. And there you have it. Your Facebook profile is now a fully functioning page. You've successfully separated your personal and professional lives while maintaining your online presence. To summarize, the process involves logging into your account, navigating to the settings, and then your Facebook information. From there, you download your information, initiate the migration process, follow the on-screen instructions, and finally create your new page. It's as simple as that. Remember, this conversion doesn't mean you're losing your personal profile. It simply means you now have a separate entity, a page, where you can interact with a wider audience. So why wait? Give it a try today.